21 CFR Part 111, Subpart I. Requirements for the Batch Production Record. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service LLC. Content. Introduction. Purpose of the Batch Production Record. Requirements for the Batch Production Record. Quality Control Review. Responsibilities under Subpart I. Importance of Subpart I. Introduction. Subpart I of 21 CFR Part 111 establishes the requirements for a batch production record, BPR, which is a detailed record of the actual manufacturing process for each batch of dietary supplements. It is based on the Master Manufacturing Record, MMR, and is used to document that each batch has been produced in compliance with its specifications and regulatory requirements. Purpose of the Batch Production Record, Section 111.255. The BPR ensures that every batch of dietary supplements is manufactured according to the approved Master Manufacturing Record, MMR, documented to verify compliance with specifications, procedures, and quality standards. Requirements for the Batch Production Record, Section 111.260. The BPR must include the following details: identification information, unique batch number or code that links the BPR to the corresponding MMR, the name and strength of the dietary supplement, manufacturing date, the dates when each step of the manufacturing process occurred, component information, documentation of the components used, including lot number, batch number, or unique identifier for each component, the weight or measure of each component used in the batch, verification that the components meet their established specifications. Requirements for the Batch Production Record, Section 111.260. Equipment and processing lines. Identification of the equipment and processing lines used during manufacturing. In-process controls. Documentation of in-process controls performed at specific steps, for examples, blending, filling, packaging. Results of in-process tests and examinations. Packaging and labeling. Documentation of the packaging materials and labels used. A statement confirming that the product was packaged and labeled according to the MMR specifications. Yields. Theoretical yield at various stages of production. Actual yield and percentage of theoretical yield. Documentation of any discrepancies between theoretical and actual yields, and investigations into significant deviations. Requirements for the Batch Production Record, Section 111.260. Deviations. A record of any deviations from the manufacturing process, including the nature of the deviation, investigations performed, corrective actions taken, signatures, initials or signatures of the individuals responsible for each step of the process, e.g., weighing, blending, testing, packaging, a final review and approval signature from the Quality Control QC unit, final product testing. Documentation of all tests and examinations conducted on the finished product. Verification that the finished product meets established specifications. Quality Control Review, Section 111.255C. The Quality Control QC unit must review and approve the BPR for each batch. Ensure that the batch complies with the Master Manufacturing Record, MMR, and CGMP requirements. Investigate and document any discrepancies, deviations, or out-of-specification results. Responsibilities under Subpart I. Create a BPR for every batch. Develop a batch production record based on the Master Manufacturing Record for each batch of dietary supplements produced. Document manufacturing activities. Record every step of the manufacturing process, including in-process controls, component information, yields, and deviations. Perform quality control review. Have the QC unit review, approve, and retain the BPR to ensure compliance with specifications and regulations. Maintain records. Retain BPRs for at least 1 year after the expiration date of the product, or 2 years after distribution if no expiration date is used. Importance of Subpart I. Compliance. Ensures that every batch of dietary supplements is manufactured in accordance with the approved MMR and CGMP standards. Traceability provides a complete record of the production process, useful for audits, inspections, and investigations. Consistency ensures uniformity in the quality, purity, strength, and composition of dietary supplements. Accountability tracks the personnel responsible for each step of the production process, as well as any deviations or corrective actions taken. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.